using the water pump correctly.
Your motorhome comes with a water pump. Now the water pump should only be turned on when you're using water. If you're not using water, turn it off straight away. Now if you're using mains water, so the water that's at a holiday park, you're plugging your hose in and turning the tap on, obviously you need to have your water pump turned off. So the water mains has its own pressure and it will push the water through the motorhome for you. Now when you are using the water pump, simply come in here to your gauge, which is just inside your main entry door. Down the bottom, you'll see the water drop symbol. That is to turn the pump off or to turn the pump on. From everyone at Let's Go Motorhomes, we wish you an awesome adventure. Happy holidays and drive safely.